Hi, I'm Rahul, and in this video, we will learn how to import data from web or download data from web into your local storage and then import into your R session. So this is the fourth video in the series, and I have also created three videos. The first video basically focused on how to import data from your local storages using base R functions, and the second video how to load data using readr and the fread function from the data.table, and the last video was based on how to import Excel files into your R session. In this video, we will talk about how to download data from web, different websites, if it is freely available. So here, I have already got a link from the UCI machine learning repository that includes the iris dataset. And first you have to copy that link from that website, and within a quotation you have to save under a particular object. Say I'm saving here url underscore csv, and after that I'm also, as this data set has no header, so I'm also defining some column names using a character vectors, that is sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. And here the column name I'm saving in column n. So after that I'm going to use the base R function, that is read underscore CSV, to read that CSV file. Actually, it is a CSV file, comma separated value. So you can directly use that read.csv to import that data into your R session from the web or from the website. So here I'm using the read.csv function, and under that I'm giving that URL link with comma, header equal to false, and column names equal to column.h names equal to column n. That is the defined column names, and I'm saving in irish underscore base. If you press Ctrl Enter, it will download the data from the web and store inside your R session. Yeah, you can see here it has such a downloaded irish underscore base 150 observation and 5 variables. If you want to check the dimension, you can use the dim function. 150 observations and 5 variables, and head, you can see that column names also has been specified, as we have specified the column names here. Next, the readr package. To use that, I have already shown this how to use this readr package to input data in my part 2 video, so you can check that video in the description below. And here, to use the readr package, you have to first install using the install.packages, and after that import that library. I have already installed that as a library, so I'm directly importing it using its library function. And after that you can do the same thing that you have did in the read.csv function case. Here directly use the read underscore csv. It can be applicable for both read underscore csv and read underscore tsv. Both can able to fetch files from web. So I'm using here the read underscore csv, as we are reading the csv file, read underscore csv. Inside that, give the url, then column names equal to column n. So press Ctrl Enter. It will download the data and save under iris underscore readr. Now you can see iris underscore readr, 150 observation and 5 variables. So if you use the head function, then you can see it is a table, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. Now if it is a CSV file or TSV file, now it has been easy to use direct the read underscore CSV or read underscore TSV for readr, or say base R package, whatever the functions available. But what if the data is not a CSV or TSV file, but something else, say Excel file? So in this case, you might be use the readxl as a package, but it won't work in the web for importing web data. This functionality is still not available in the readxl package. So what you'll do? So you should would you go manually to the web? Would you go to the website and download it manually and then import it? No, there is no such requirement. You can use another function to load that, but it will not load directly into your R session, but it will load the data or download the data into your local storage. After that, you have to use the readxl package to import that. Say here first I am locating the directory where I want to download that data. So here is the folder data import. Here I'm setting this as a my working directory. So use the set wd set working directory, and inside that give the path where I want to where you want to download the data actually. So if you want to see whether it has been set or not, use the get wd. So now it has been set. Now it has set the directory to data underscore import folder. So I have one GitHub link of my GitHub account where I have stored a iris underscore excel dot xlsx such a file, and this is the link. So I'm storing this in URL data link, and now I'm using the download.file function. That file helps you to download any kind of data. So download.file function, use the URL from where you want to download, then give the file name with which name you want to store. I want to store this such file as irish underscore download.xlsx and mode equal to wb, that is a binary. I have tried the other cases, but it is not working. So I am using the mode is equal to wb. In that way, it is working actually. I don't know what is the problem with download.file function. Sometimes it creates such a corrupt file, but it is such now working. You can use that one. So press Ctrl Enter. It will download that data into your working directory. It will take some time. Yeah, now it is downloaded, and now you can import that data. It is in your local storage in that directory link, that is data underscore import. So I'm using the readxl function. To use that readxl function, you have to import the readxl library. So I'm importing that as a library, and now I'm using the read underscore xl function, and inside that is giving the name, in which name you have saved. I have saved this one in iris underscore download.xlsx. So iris underscore x download.xlsx is the name, and I'm saving this iris underscore download. If you press Ctrl Enter, it will load the data. Now you can read the data, that is using head function. You can see the first 6 rows that it has successfully downloaded. Last time I have tried so many cases in download.file to download this Excel file, but it failed actually. So after so many trial, I have found this one, that is a mode equal to wb. If you give the binary case, actually, if you go to help and download.file, then you will see that here is the mode actually character, the mode with which to write the file. Useful values are w or wb. Wb is the binary case, so I'm giving here binary case. It's such a working fine. So you can use that function to download your Excel files to from web to your local storage, and then you can import that. So this is the fourth video, and thanks for watching. And if you find it useful, then you can share and like. Thanks.